Crochet with Alex is going to show you man and woman neck warmer. This project I'm using about 150 grams of this yarn in two colors, this gray and this very dark purple, okay, in order to do a cowl neck warmer which is very nice for women and for men, to be worked with a 6.5 millimeters crochet hook. 6.5. Slip knot to start, and now do a foundation chain of 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. till 25. Additional chain 2, and now in the first chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3 and 4, do a double crochet like that, and go ahead doing double crochet in each chain across the row. Like that. Okay, at the end of this row, we are ready to change color. So this is the new yarn. I just have to put it on my finger and slip stitch like that. Chain 1, chain 2, and turn my work. Now I can fix it with the old one with a knot like that. 1 and 2. And go ahead with the new row. Now we have to do all front pass double crochet in each stitch across the row. So yarn over, from the back insert the hook between the first and the second double crochet, pass it to the top, the front of the second double crochet, go into the next space from the front to the back, pick up the yarn, pull it through 3 loops on your hook, you see 1, 2, 3, yarn over, finish the first 2 loops, yarn over, finish the second 2 loops, okay? And now repeat in this way all across the row, like that. I show you again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space between the stitch you have worked in it and the next one, from the back to the front. Now from the front to the back, go into the next space between the second stitch and the third one, pick up the yarn, pass it through the 2 spaces like that, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, finish the first 2 loops like that, yarn over, finish the second 2 loops like that, and now go ahead doing that all across this row. I am at the end of this row. This will be my last stitch. Yarn over, insert my hook, and now insert the hook into one of the two loops of the chain, you see, in this way, and do your front post double crochet like that. Ready for the next row. Now we have to do for the next row all single crochet into the front top of the below double crochet. So chain one and turn, and now you see this is the double crochet of previous round. Instead of doing that, I'm inserting my hook from the front to the back into the very first stitch like that, from the back to the front like that, yarn over and do single crochet. Let's see again. My hook from, you see, this is the next stitch I have to work. I'm inserting my hook from the back to the front. Now from the front to the back into the next stitch, and yarn over, pick up the yarn, pass it through and do single crochet. I'm doing that all across this row. Till the end of this row, like that. And this is the effect on the right side, you see? Very nice effect. When I am at the last stitch, I'm inserting my hook from the front to the back into the last stitch, and now you see, from the back to the front, inserting my hook into the chain, one of the two loops of the chain. I'm doing my last single crochet like that. Now I'm ready for the next row, and now I can take the old gray, you see, because I didn't cut it, so I can take the old color to the old color, the gray, which I didn't cut. I'm joining it into my work, slip stitching like that. Turn my work, and now I'm ready for my back post double crochet, yarn over. Okay, at the end of this row, now you can take the old color, the gray, you slip stitch to bring it into your work, and now chain 2. This 1, 2, 3 chains takes the place of the first double crochet. Turn your work, and now 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains takes the place of the first double crochet. Turn your work, and now do a back post double crochet from the back to the front, from the front to the back, passing through the next stitch in this way, all the way around. Okay, at the end of this row, chain 1 and turn, and now do what you did by the third row. just doing front post single crochet in each double crochet of previous round. Sorry, I was wrong. Like that, exactly like you did previously, in this way. So, resuming, you should alternate one row of back post double crochet and then one row front post single crochet. Then again one row back post double crochet, again one row front post single crochet, and keep working like that till you reach the length you need for your caul. Now go ahead till the end of this row. Then at the next row you will do what you did with the purple, and you will repeat always row 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3 till the end of till you reach the length needed for this caul. Okay, and then we can join the two sides of this caul to finish our work. When your neck warmer is long enough, mine is 23 inches long, you can join from the reverse side in this way. Now join the two sides of this neck warmer, slip stitching like that. Okay, after you have joined, don't cut the yarn, and now do single crochet like that all the way around as final refining, and also to cover all the excess of yarns like that. And of course you have to do that also on the other side.